the 99 Nights in the Forest plane story. Let's get this started. So it all started with an airport that they had just built. It had a nice Ferris wheel, a lot of ATC towers, a nice little restaurant. This is not for the story. I don't have all the planes in the game or things. So you just have to... So later in the future, so they had a hotel and a lot of planes. Later in the future, they made a portal for the Pirate Island. And they mined coal, gold, and diamonds. It's one of their main things. They also had their own pirate ship and a cannon, flags, a little campfire, nice things, and a lighthouse. Then they unlocked an Air Force base. They didn't have all the planes. They got as much plane as they could because they needed to earn more money as they could. Sorry, I'm just talking to this guy, right? I'm just talking to the Mad Hatter guy. He said he doesn't know how to get gems. Make sure you guys try this game out. It is very fun. Oh yeah, they added the youth sound back if you guys didn't know because you haven't played Roblox in a very long time. Or if you never played Roblox. Or if you just haven't played it for a year or so. Oh, and look at that. There's an air jet. Oh, it looks like he's trying to land in my airport. Oh, he's good at landing. I'm gonna go say hi to him in my twin propeller plane. So later in the future, they decided to add something really impressive. A portal to Tokyo. The portal to Tokyo is pretty cool. Oh yeah, I haven't finished my Tokyo, but I'll finish it right now. Hey, where's the door inside anyway? Oh, it's in the back. Oh. Is there really something up there? Oh, there is. Okay. I forgot. I didn't know that this thing was existing. It's pretty cool. It's pretty much just a plain penthouse. There's a dropper that I haven't complete in this bank right here. And, oh yeah, you guys didn't see the Tokyo Tower, did you? The Tokyo Tower is right there. I know it's the Eiffel Tower. Oh yeah, when I grow up, I actually want to My job when I want to be is a sushi chef in Japan. So this is the Tokyo Tower, really much the Eiffel Tower. It's pretty cool. And you're probably wondering, how am I getting gems, actually? Well, it comes from this special portal that they added called the launch site. It has a rocket that you can launch. It is not spawned right now, but I will spawn it. But I'm pretty sure it's like all the way up there, so I don't really want to. You guys have probably seen it anyway, but like, here's my space station. It is very much not done. Wait, I want to see where it is. Okay, it's in the research room. Oh, it's down there, so we completed the space station. Okay. Nice. I'm pretty sure the only things we need is just some boats and Air Force, a lot of Air Force things. Actually, let's go to the Air Force base and drive my cargo plane. My cargo plane is my honest favorite. Because I'm going to be making a next part after I make this, so. Oops. Just be careful with that. I'm pretty sure it's a cargo plane. It's like all the way where you see that teeny tiny little air jet in the distance. You can't see me pointing to anything, so you guys won't be able to see it. Because in my other videos, I was just pointing because my brain was going crazy. I thought you guys could see, but you guys can't see. So, yeah, because I'm never doing a face reveal. Well, maybe in a few years. Sorry, my mom doesn't let me. If any of you guys saw my first video, then you guys are lucky to have seen my face. Because we deleted it, because I'm pretty sure I made it a private video, so that no one could ever see it. Oh, and this happens to be my cargo plane. It's one of my favorite planes that I've got. Try to just speed up as much as you can. And then go. Wait, am I in the red airport, I believe, yeah. Closest airport that there could be. Oh wait, turn. Okay, we're not making it. Okay, we didn't make that landing, but I'm pretty sure we will next because we just have to go all the way out here. Let's keep the wheels out so that we have... Actually, let's lift them for a second before... Here, and we are at 1,000. Okay. Turn. Yeah, we turn. Okay. We're at it. We made it! We delivered, we're successfully delivering cargo. Here, let me move this plane out of the way. Whoa. That's funny. Okay, just leave it, it's fine. Because we need to move our cargo plane so we can unload the cargo for this airport. As apparently this cargo, we're delivering cargo so that this airport can be renovated into Robloxia's International Airport. Please, yes. Roblox's International Airport. We just had to order a lot of supplies, and my freaking of the god, that is a lot. Open cargo hatch, open door. I know that is very close to the building and could destroy it. We're fine. Oh my god, the cargo delivered, at least. Wait, that's the cargo hatch. And then these are just random doors in case of emergency. So that's the end of this first part one. Thanks for watching. Bye.